Hello mathematicians, today we are on 12.5 in your Go Math book, Problem Solving, Make New Two-Dimensional Shapes, on page 505. And today our question is, how can acting it out help you make new shapes from combined shapes? Okay, so kind of the same thing as we did on 12.4, we are going to combine shapes to make one larger 2D shape. And here is our problem to solve. Cora wants to combine shapes to make a circle. She has this shape. How can Cora make a circle? Okay, unlock the problem. What do I need to find? We need to find out how Cora can make a circle. Okay, it wants you to trace those words or the letters. What information do I need to use? Cora uses this shape. We know she's using this kind of like pizza shape, okay? Show how to solve the problem. Use shapes combined to make a new shape. Well, it's kind of doing it for you. It didn't say how many of these shapes she has, so I'm going to assume she has multiple ones. We can do as many as we would like, okay? Use this shape. So let's combine. The two shapes. Okay. Now, if I put these together, or it's saying right here that this is a new shape. Okay. So if we put them together, we made a new shape. What is it? Yeah, I'm going to color it in so you can see the new shape. I used 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, but now I made 2 halves. Okay, here's a half here, 1, 2. We made 2. So then it says, then use the new shape. Let's put those 2 together, this and that, and it makes a circle. And I could color it in, shade it in to show. I put my half here and my half here together and I made one whole circle. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Use shapes to solve. Draw to show your work. Use a square to make a larger square. Step 1, combine shapes to make a new shape. Okay, so we're gonna combine a square and a square to make a rectangle. Okay, I know I need to make a new shape using my squares, and we put them together to make a rectangle, okay? Then use the new shape, and the new shape is a rectangle. Put them together, so we need to use a rectangle and a rectangle to make this square. Because if I split the square, I would see I have this shape here and this shape here. And then if I split it again, I would see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the original squares there. 4 squares make that one large square. Okay. Use triangles to make a rectangle. Step 1, combine shapes to make a new shape. Okay, let's put this triangle and this triangle together, and they made a square. Let's show you, okay? If I put them together, triangle and triangle, excuse me, it would make one square. Now let's take this whole square, square, and square, and let's put it together, combine it to make this new rectangle. Square and a square, square and a square. And if I separate those squares, I can see, oh, how many triangles do I have in there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 squares, 4 triangles, 1 rectangle. Okay, your turn, mathematicians.